good.
Well, before everyone calls the cops on us, we should probably stop. Stove's going. That must mean something's going down in the garage here.
What's going on, Wrench and Rip? This is my Wrench and Rip headquarters, the garage here.
Yeah, one of our various headquarters that we operate in.
Yep, old reliable. So this is the first ever on Wrench and Rip. This is my
yes,
snowmobile.
sir.
It's a 2002 Arctic Cat ZL, right? ZL.
Yeah, ZL600.
ZL600 fuel injected, electric fuel injected.
Dang! A-arm suspension too. You know,
Yeah,
new school stuff.
When she runs right, it rips.
Yeah. But she don't run right.
So we've tinkered around with it before, gotten a little involved, maybe a little too involved, possibly. Yeah. But at the end of the day, you know, it's old. It's got a lot of hours on it, miles, whatever. And so we're just gonna mess around with it, give it a few test runs, and if we blow it up, we blow it up. But we're gonna have fun doing it.
Yeah, yeah. We're gonna try some simple things today because it does its favorite little. Accelerates okay on light throttle to like 30 miles an hour, and then it just completely falls on its face.
Bogs down. Yeah.
Yeah. So you know, we did some research. Seems like most likely plugs, but we're gonna check the rubber intake boots, some other little odds and ends, and each time we change something, we'll go test. So.
And we'll see what happens.
And we're starting with the plugs. So let's do some plugs on this thing. Plugs. My toolkit. What are you trying to get?
Get the little like screwdriver thing out to.
Oh my god. Oh yeah. Also another thing. If you see this rigging operation, we have his power valves blocked wide open.
All the fuel.
Because the little electric motor that drives these, you know, it's just a terrible system, and all the cables were broken anyway, so we went in there and we just locked them open. So, you know, wide open throttle or bust, basically.
There it is. I got it.
All right.
Lefty tighty.
Hell yeah. There she is. It's probably angering so many people that we're using the toolkit and not like an actual socket.
Who cares?
Yeah.
It all works.
Yeah, it works. Alright,
wait till we start busting out some chrome sockets on the impact gun.
Eey.
The head's smoking.
She's wet, dude. She's just very wet.
Yeah, as we suspected, definitely running very rich.
Yeah.
Because another thing also, like when it is bogging down and I try to kind of blip the throttle to get those RPMs back up, it backfires.
Yeah.
Like heavy.
Yeah.
It's pretty badass, but I mean, you know, shouldn't be doing that.
No, it shouldn't.
So,
yeah.
Another sign of it running very rich.
Yeah. She no good.
This is no good.
Well, we'll try the plugs and see. I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it's the muffler, like obstructing something.
Yeah.
Because that would make sense why it's just not burning. Because it can't clear it out, you know. So we'll see. We'll try the plugs and see what happens.
Absolutely. That's heavy, right? Nothing like some fresh NGK. KG. GNK. KNG. XYZ. Cross thread them real nice.
Yes. And we'll torque those down with an impact like you're supposed to.
Chrome sockets only?
With a chrome socket, of course. Alright, this is the test with the plugs. Alright, so back to the drawing board. don't know if you heard that, but yeah, you hear it bogging now. Definitely a hard no on that. Yeah.
Still bogging.
Bog City. So, back in the garage to do more activities. Okay, so upon further investigation, these boots right there are all dry rotted. That could be it. That probably is it, because I was reading some guy that had the same issue, that was his problem. But in true wrench and rip fashion, we're gonna take the muffler off and see if that makes a difference.
Yep.
Before we dig into those boots. So
hopefully the camera can pick up some nice sound.
Yeah, it will. And then we'll just take the springs off and ditch that muffler, and we'll see.
We'll go for it.
Go for it. Well, muffler's over there. We're gonna shoot all the exhaust fumes into the engine bay. What is that noise?
I don't know. I think it's where I'm stepping. I don't know. It sounds weird.
All right, so we're gonna send it like this, just for testing purposes. It is so loud. No? Alright.
No good.
Well, before everyone calls the cops on us, we should probably stop.
Gotta love that.
Alright, so we think it's the intake boots. I mean, it's gotta be them. So
Yep.
we can dive in and see if they're easy to get out. It shouldn't be too bad.
Nothing a little silicone can't fix.
Yeah, you know.
Alright, we'll nice and quietly put this.
Alright, yeah. Just you know, gentle on the throttle, you know the deal. Alright. This is attempt number 3. So what we did is we fixed a little ground and we put the muffler back on. So it honestly sounds kind of good. No way it was just the ground. Well, did a little backfire there. Well, what's the verdict? It seems...
Well, it's definitely better. It's still bogging a little bit, but like I was saying to Ryan before, sometimes it's got to like warm up a little bit and it gets in kind of its own rhythm. So, granted, that's not really fixed, but we'll take it over across the street and I'll rip it down the field.
Yeah, you think it's good? It's good enough to try it over there. Okay.
We'll see if we can get a little.
Well, that's
like,
progress.
rip. So we'll see.
All right. Yep. We shall see. Ugh. Ew. Ew.
The sled.
The sled.
Yeah, well.
We tried and we failed.
But it is what it is. Like I was saying earlier, I'm not. To me, it's not. Yeah, the lighting. Yeah. It's not the end all be all. You know, whatever. It is what it is.
Yeah. You know what? Like, we'll see if anyone knows in the comments.
Yep. Drop a comment if you have any idea.
We'll give the exact symptoms, okay? And you're probably the best at giving the exact symptoms. So just list them off, all of them.
Well, it bogs down. You give it throttle, it'll kind of go. It sputters its way up, and then once that clutch grabs at 4,000 RPMs, it'll keep sputtering, and then if you hammer the throttle, it just bogs right down until it stalls. And I've held it until it does stall, and it'll stall right out.
Yeah, so it's like it gets up to like 25, 30, and it just cannot go any faster.
That's like max volume. That's max speed on it.
And the other thing with it too is obviously it's fuel injected. It's EFI. And we don't have a battery in it right now because the starter got stuck engaged. So comment if that's something that you can even do. I don't know. Maybe an EFI system can't run right without a battery. We don't know. Just let us know. If you know, even if you don't know much, you probably know more than we do. So help us out if you know. If you're an Arctic Cat expert or whatever.
Suzuki, whatever.
Yeah,
Suzuki
Suzuki engine.
As we said earlier. And also, it's always for sale. So if anyone's interested,
if anyone wants
information below.
Yeah, drop a comment with an offer, and we'll reach out to you.
Never know.
All right.
So.
Well, till next time, guys. Keep wrenching, keep ripping, and we'll see you guys next time.